If you are looking for the best heavy-duty staplers, here's the list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on the features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Postage Auto Extreme Duty Stapler. Heavy-duty staplers can jam frequently and cause high levels of user irritation. This stapler didn't jam on us as a single time during our testing period. Every document receives a custom staple thanks to the Postage Extreme. The stapler automatically trims the staples so that every document receives a fastener that is of an optimized size. They were not complicated process to follow when using this particular stapler. As long as you can press down on it effectively, you'll be able to get your jobs done completely pretty effectively. The bottom line is this: there were no errors, no jams, and zero damaged documents during the testing period with this stapler. Be sure to check out our list of the best staple gun for installation for more great items like this. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Postage Impulse 45 No Jam Electric Stapler. Are you going to get through a 200-page document with this stapler? No? Can you effectively staple up to 45 pages without lifting a finger to do it? Yes. This electric stapler Postage may not have the same fastening power as other staplers in this category, but it does offer superior ease of use. Just slide your paperwork into the proper position and you're ready to have your document stapled. Plug it into the wall or go with the batteries. It's your choice. At the end of the day, if you do high-volume stapling, you will notice a big difference in your arms and wrists when this is stapler you have used. The number 3 position is held by Inacio Heavy Duty Stapler. Perhaps you're after something a little more robust. The office mailroom would likely need a different stapler than the one on individual desks. This is a great pick for one of that isn't filmy looking or feeling. It looks geared for some serious stapling. With a single staple from it, you can fasten together up to 130 sheets. The entire body except for the black part of the handle is made of metal. Even that part is fully supported by a metal interior. You also get to use either by the 1/4" or the 1/2" heavy-duty staples. Your choice should be guided by what you are working on. The 1/2" is better suited for stapling large stacks of paper or doing office repairs. If you're working on a smaller quantity, the 1/4" will do the job. This lever-like mechanism on the front end makes it easier to staple even the largest of the stakes. The combination of the heavily duty staples that are to be used and this stapler minimizes jamming. There is always the added benefit of having a staple removal tool. This comes with it. The simple front end clearing mechanism is an added feature to clear any jamming. It also has room for adjusting it forward for larger sheets or backward for smaller ones. You also get a box of 1000 staples to get you started. Next at number 4, we have Swingline Heavy Duty Stapler S703905. Perfect for all your more than normal stapling needs, the Swingline Heavy Duty Stapler staples 160 sheets at one time. The all-metal structure guarantees durability for long-term performance. Extra features of this machine are the front and jam clearing mechanism and an adjustment guard for modest and meticulous stapling. This comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Swingline Heavy Duty Stapler, the reduced effect full strip Smart Touch makes stapling twice as simple. Easily staple as many as 25 sheets with half less manual exertion. Its remarkable features include metal construction, wood operation, and jam clearing mechanism. The metal construction offers durability and great performance with improved flexibility. The precision staple alignment guide allows the user to have better control over the large stapling jobs, giving flawless outcomes. The jam clearing mechanism prevents staple from getting stuck and enhances performance. This is an incredibly dependable and productive stapler which helps you get the job done in the correct manner. The number 5 position is held by Postage Entry Microbial Heavy Duty Stapler B310 HDS. The Postage Heavy Duty Stapler is ideal for heavy duty stapling jobs and can staple up to 130 sheets at one time. All metal construction makes it durable and lasts long despite heavy use. This is an amazing stapler for an office or any workplace where lots of heavy stapling is required. Heavy-duty staplers, the anti-jam mechanism prevents the jamming of the staples and gives you a smooth stapling experience. Another helpful feature of this stapler is the adjustable paper stop, standard and metric measurements that ensures precision and gives flawless outcomes. The antimicrobial coating helps prevent the growth of the bacteria and germs. It offers a throw depth of 2 into 3 by 8 inch and uses 1 by 4 inch to 5 by 8 inch SP35 series of heavy-duty staples. You can easily staple a thick stack of papers and cardboard with this device. For a heavy-duty stapler, it is not particularly heavy, but it is solid enough to carry out its designated jobs. The staples are always effectively folded and won't come loose. It can take up a large space on the desk, so keeping it permanently on your desk would not be a spacious idea. Overall, it's a great stapler for heavy-duty stapling. The number 6 position is dominated by Fastmove Heavy-Duty Stapler. This heavy-duty stapler from Fastmove has an amazing stapling capacity of 240 sheets. It is made with all metal parts, assuring durability and dependable long-lasting performance. Heavy-duty staplers is a dependable stapler that increases your productivity and will help you to get job done in the right way. What's more, it is exceptionally easy to use. Its staple groove can be placed in 2 distinct staples. This wonderful heavy-duty stapler is easy and performs smooth stapling. The downside is that it does not include a user's guide that will lead to some hassle in figuring out getting the staples in the stapler. However, this is one well-made heavy-duty stapler that will surely last for years. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Rapid HD 220 Heavy Duty Stapler 73140. This is the heavy-duty stapler you have imagined having in your office. This one is perfect for stapling large stacks. It can staple through up to 220 sheets of paper with its express limit and dealt with somewhat more than that in our testing. Heavy-duty staplers. This Rapid Heavy-Duty Stapler features a low staple indicator that tells you when a refill is required. The all-metal inner housing gives you a chance to get past high-volume stapling work easily. The metal adjustable guide that helps you use the correct size staples for different volume of papers. Despite the fact this is a manual stapler, pretty much anybody can staple nearly anything in the office on account of this effective design. It is well built, has easy loading mechanism, and works smoothly. Without requiring much effort, it can easily staple through 220 sheets, which is pretty impressive. The number 8 position is held by Swingline Optimus 70 Desk Stapler S7087875. Another great stapler from Swingline Optimus 70 offers maximum performance with minimum effort. This makes stapling jobs up to 50% easier. It can staple up to 70 sheets smoothly and quickly using one size staple and less effort. Swingline Optimus 70 Desk Stapler S7087875. The flat clinch technology allows the staples to lie flat on the back of the documents, giving neat staking. The jam-free performance of this stapler avoids jamming of the staples. This gives you a 100% performance guarantee if you use the device with recommended staples. The ergonomic soft touch handle gives extra comfort while stapling. You can easily and quickly load the staples with the quick load magazine that is in the front end of the stapler. The compact design of this stapler allows it to fit in a small space. This stapler, along with the durability, performance and ergonomics, comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Next at number 9, we have Repsco Eco Heavy Duty Desk Stapler. This heavy-duty desk stapler from Repsco is comparatively new in the market, but it has been successful in impressing its user with its awesome performance. Manufactured from 75% recycled plastic, this Repsco Eco can staple up to 100 sheets at one time. This heavy-duty stapler performs heavy stapling jobs effortlessly. Heavy-duty stapler features a full unique paper guide locking system that is easy to open and ripple staples. The guide on the stapler lets you use the size of the staples required to staple various amounts of paper. Though it is a heavy-duty stapler, it doesn't weigh much, which makes it more likely to move from here to there with less effort. The handle has a soft rubber grip that provides extra comfort. You'll get the finest results if you use Repsco staples with this stapler. The stapler is large, heavy-duty, and solid. You won't regret if you decide to choose this one for your heavy stapling task. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Praxis Pro Powerhouse G2 Electric Stapler. If you need to have your hands free or are sick of manually crunching staples, electricity may be a good pick for you. This is the second version of this stapler that Praxis Pro has produced. There is a distinct improvement in this performance. The package includes 5000 staples, a staple remover, and a power bag. It can staple up to 40 sheets in one go. There is a 5-position paper guide. This is perfect for picking your spot. The rear end of the stapler has a push button to release the staples. It is right above where the power supply is plugged in. There is no option to go off the grid with this one. It does not take the batteries. I don't imagine that would be a problem within an office environment. Unlike other electric staplers, there is also an option to manually staple. It is a very common stapler with both manual and electric stapling. It is a lifetime warranty that covers any manufacturing defects. You can use the standard 1x4-inch staples in this. That's all for today. We upload product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.